5:12 the current time. Meteorologist Zach Malak with you here watching Tropical Storm Francine across the far western Gulf of Mexico right now. Here's the latest as the hurricane hunters continue to drive and fly through this system, trying to determine how it's strengthening. You can see them over the last couple of hours trying to determine the strength of this system. Right now watching a couple areas of interest across much of this region, because not only the tropical storm developing into hurricane itself, but also a stalled front producing showers and storms all the way across the northern Gulf Coast states. Here's the latest as of 5 a.m. Again, Francine, still a tropical storm, 65-mile-per-hour wind speeds associated with that system. That's going to be about 9 miles per hour shy of a hurricane strength. Francine is forecast to develop into a Category 1 hurricane later on this morning and into the afternoon, and then from there developing into a Category 2 hurricane before it impacts the Gulf Coast as well as the central area of Louisiana. So keeping an eye on that. We're also keeping a close eye for us here locally on a system well off to the eastern Atlantic, watching two areas of interest. The first area of interest going to be falling apart. No concern there. All of our eyes going to be focused on this second area of interest, which could develop into our next tropical depression or tropical storm Gordon as early as Friday into the weekend. From there, that system looks to be strengthening into early next week. By next Tuesday at 5 p.m., still across the western parts of the Atlantic. Watching for the next week, but model is actually in pretty good agreement that the system will be turning. Nonetheless, we'll keep an eye on any development in the tropics over the next week or so. No impact for us here locally. The only impact this morning is we're seeing low clouds, possibly some patchy fog developing closer to 7 a.m. this morning. Sunrise at 7:11 a.m. Temperatures warm up fast today, but they're going to be a bit cooler today thanks to some extra cloud cover and more moisture in the air. 92 your high today in Fort Myers, 92 in Bonita Springs, 91 in Port Charlotte and Cape Coral today. Scattered showers and storms back in the forecast again today. We'll see isolated showers and storms developing right along the coast as early as 2, 3, and 4 p.m. today. A good amount of rain expected inland around 5, 6, and 7 p.m. And look at all that rain that's still with us across much of southwest Florida through 7, 8, and even as late as 9 p.m. So keep that in mind. Multiple rounds of rain in the forecast for today. For your 7-day forecast, 92 this afternoon, 91 for Wednesday and Thursday, 92 Friday and Saturday. Scattered showers and storms with us over the next 7 days, mainly in the afternoons. Could see some morning showers possible Thursday and Friday. That's your forecast. Rachel's watching your morning community.